Yes, sir. This is your boy, you know what I'm talking about, SRT Rob, man. You know what I'm saying, in effect, man. Y'all already see it, man. Back out here at another meet, man. Carb meet at Steak and Shake, man. Steak and Shake, man. We out here, man. Yeah, today, man. We out here. Y'all already see it, man. They pouring. We got it all out here today, man. So, but this is your boy, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, you know, back with another video, man. Another video, man. You know, coming. You know what I'm saying? See, this is what I be talking about right here, man. You know what I'm talking about? The haircut, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already see it, man. Haircut. You know what I'm talking about? With green bill. Yes, sir. Green bill. Y'all already see it. Yeah, this is what's going on. Y'all see the Mopar royalty card. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, that's what I'm talking about right there, man. Wide body, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already see it. Wide body, man, kid on it. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. And then y'all got the 392 shaker. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, y'all already see it. Y'all give my boys, you know what I'm talking about, who that is, you know what I'm talking about, Royalty Club. I'll give them a shout out, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I've never heard of them, but pretty sure, you know what I'm saying, you know, they're around. And y'all see, you know what I'm saying? Common Traffic Mafia. And y'all see that. Yes, sir. This is Honda, y'all already see it, man. You know what I'm talking about, with them golds on them, gold rims on there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. I give my boy a shout out, man. You know what I'm talking about, 2.0 underscore Accord. Yes, sir. You know, if y'all fit into the porn, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it, man. I like this here, man. You know. Yeah. That's what I see. Mustang 5.0 in Christmas lights. Yes, sir. That's how it is. The Christmas light. Yes, sir. That ain't bad, Steak and Shake, man, and Irving, man. Yes, sir. Another car meet, man. Yes, a little cold out there. Yeah, we out here today. Yes, sir. A lot of Mustangs out here, man. You know what I'm
about? I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never disturb reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all in the poverty is very depressing. I'm in the club with the best folks. More expensive.
Everywhere, man, all around. Yes, sir. Y'all already see it, man. That's it. Yeah, shot, man. And, like I said, man, we out here Steak and Shake in Irving, man. Out here, man, in Irving. Off of MacArthur, man. 950, man, the Steak and Shake. That's where we at tonight, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. I'm going to get back with you in the field. Peace.